Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through while loop in Python. While loop is an infinite loop. It is basically used for repetitive tasks. The while loop executes itself until the condition given in the while loop becomes false. Let's start with a simple example using while loop in Python. Now I am going to use a variable a to initialize the while loop. A equal to 1 initializes the while loop, while a less than or equal to 6, a equal to a plus 1, print a. I am going to execute this block of code. You can see the values of starting from 2 to 7 are printed one below another, which means the condition of the while loop is a less than or equal to 6, and initialization of while loop is 1. I have initialized the while loop using a variable 1 that is assigned to a. In the second line I have given a equal to a plus 1, which means initially a equal to 1, and when it is equated with a plus 1 it becomes 2. So the starting value is 2, and it goes on until 7, and after we get the 7 as output, the condition becomes false. A less than or equal to 6 becomes false. So the while loop breaks. Thank you.